you Heart It with Deb. Congratulations on just taking a few moments out of your day just for you so you can peel back layers of stress out of your mind and out of your body through yoga, through moving and breathing. I hope you really enjoy this sequence. Give it a thumbs up when you're done. Shoot me a comment and I'll comment back if you have something to say. And let's get started. Welcome. Let's get started. Let's start today in child's pose. So go ahead and find your hands and knees. Bring your big toes together. Sit on your heels. Widen your knees. Bring your forehead down to the mat. Arms go overhead. Palms down. So this is child's pose. And I want to use it as a pose to help transition us from whatever we came from to our yoga practice. So this pose is kind of nice because my face is down. I can close my eyes and really begin to shut out the world outside of me because I need to take a break from that, right? You took this time and let's make the most of it. So start by just figuring out where you're at and what you're working with today. Like physically, how are you feeling today? Keep that in mind. I don't want you to lose sight of that. I don't want you to lose sight of any kind of soreness, tension, injuries. You have a responsibility to yourself to take care of yourself, and I want you to do that. And the only way you can do that is by awareness. So take time to acknowledge it. And then I want you to get in your head and figure out where you're at emotionally. Acknowledge what you're working with. You could be in any mood. Maybe you're happy, or maybe you're sad, or angry, or worried. And that's okay. All those emotions are okay. We can work with that. And then I want you to do something else. I want you to breathe in and out of your nose. Try to practice nose breathing. All right, and if you want more, make it really deep. I suggest pretty much, even if you don't breathe out of your nose, maybe always try to breathe deep. So, my suggestion of nose breathing, if you choose that, you breathe in air, and I want you to fill up your lungs, maximum capacity. Then I want you to use your belly to press the air out through your nose. Empty everything out. Good. Inhale and exhale. Breathing in and out of your nose. Good. Try to use this breath the whole time we move today. Use it as that tool that brings your mind present. All right? So all those poses we do, those physical poses, those are secondary to the breath. So do your best. Take another inhale. Reach it long. Exhale. Bring it up. Hands and knees tabletop position. Go ahead and tuck your toes under, bring your butt to the sky. Down dog. Spread your 10 fingers wide, press them into the mat. Your feet could be side by side or more hip width distance apart. It's up to you. And let your heels just kind of float down or hover right above the ground here. Good. Shake your head yes and no. So basically you're like an upside down V here. Take an inhale, bring your right leg up to the sky. As you exhale, draw the right knee in, set it in between your hands, drop your back left knee. Dragon pose or low lunge position. Good. So line your right knee up with your right ankle. Your left knee can slide as far back as you want. Relax your head, relax your neck. Holding here for a couple breaths. Good. On your next exhale, I want you to shift your hips back just so you can start straightening this right leg. Good for a front half split. Keep the weight even in your hips though. Don't start dumping into the left side. Try to keep it even. Spine is long and strong over the right leg. Breathe. Take another inhale. As you exhale, rebend that back left knee. Tuck the left toe under. Down dog. Nice job. Take an inhale, raise the left leg. Exhale, draw the left knee in. Set it in between your hands. Drop your back knee. Dragon low lunge pose. Line up, knee and ankle alignment on the left side. You can slide that right knee back as far as you like. Good. Relax your head, relax your neck, breathing into it. Good. Take another inhale. As you exhale, shift your hips back. Front half split on the left side. Good. And again, don't forget to keep your hips square. Don't start dumping into the right hip. If you have a little bend in your knee, by the way, in these front half splits, that's okay too. Take another inhale. As you exhale, come forward, tuck your back right toe, down dog. From down dog, inhale, press the chest back. Exhale, walk your feet up to meet your hands, standing forward fold at the top of the mat. Take a moment, hang heavy here. If you want to grab opposite elbows, you can. Maybe put a bend in your knee. Take a moment, sway side to side. These are all suggestions, not requirements. When you're ready, go ahead and come back to a standing forward fold. Put a bend in your knee. Take a massive inhale as you do. We're going to roll all the way up to standing. Bring your head and your neck up last. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together, heart center. Inhale, release your arms, fly them up. Exhale, dive it forward. Nice job. Take your hands, slide them up your shins for a halfway lift. Gaze just ahead of your toes. Exhale, plant your hands. Step back to a plank pose or the top of a push-up. Okay, line your shoulders right over your wrists. Draw your belly up and in. Gaze between your thumbs to keep that neck in line with the spine. Keep breathing, bottom belly breaths. Inhale, shift your weight forward. Tuck your elbows in the lower with muscle. Good, untuck your toes. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, tuck your toes. Butt to the sky, down dog. Good, hold here for a moment. Breathe. All right, from down dog, inhale your right leg up. Good. Exhale, draw the right knee up. Set the right foot in between your hands. Runner's lunge. Make sure you're not on a balance beam here. Take a moment. Breathe. All right, take another inhale. Press strong under the right foot. Rise it up. High lunge crescent pose. So bend your right knee and keep your back leg towards straight. Gaze straight ahead, breathing. Bring your hands together and lower them heart center. Good. Take another inhale. Keep the legs. Bring the left elbow on to the right thigh. Right elbow to the sky. High lunge with a twist. Good. Press the right hand palm into the left palm to deepen the twist. Gaze wherever is comfortable with your neck. Take another inhale. Press into the right foot. Rise it up. Crescent pose. All right, keep breathing, but now we're going to transition to a warrior two. So spin that back left foot 90. Right heel lines up with the center of that back left arch. Arms out to your sides. Turn your gaze over to the right, just past your right middle finger. Bend the right knee deep. Hold. Feel the outer edge of that left foot seal into the mat. Breathing. Nice job. Take another inhale. As you exhale, cartwheel your hands down, back foot on toes, step back, plank. Shift your weight forward, lower, slow. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, tuck your toes, press it up, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left knee up and in, set it down, pause, runner's lunge. Take a moment. Make sure you're not on a balance beam. Get adjusted. Take another inhale. Press into the left foot. Rise it up. High lunge crescent pose. Sink into it. Nice job. Bending the left knee. Back leg towards straight. You got it. Roll your pinkies in a little. Relax your shoulders. Good. Bring your hands heart center. Keep the legs exactly the same. Right elbow, left thigh, left elbow to the sky. High lunge with a twist. Press that left palm in to the right as you twist and breathe. And you can gaze wherever is comfortable on your neck. You got it. Take another inhale. Rise it up nice and strong. Crescent pose. Keep breathing. We're going to transition to Warrior II. Spin the back foot 90. Left heel lines up with the center of that back left arch. Sink into it. Breathe into it. Take another inhale. As you exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Step back to a plank pose. Shift your weight forward, lower down. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, butt to the sky. Down dog. Breathe. Good. Catch your breath. I know that's a lot of work, right? Especially because we're not really moving that fast, but it takes a lot of strength. All right, from here, inhale your right leg up. Open the hip and bend the knee. Straighten it out. Draw the right knee in towards your right wrist. Set the right shin down. Back leg goes all the way down for pigeon pose. You can recline down in pigeon if you want to. You can go lower than me. You can bring your forehead all the way down to the mat if you want more. Sometimes I like to bring fists, stack them, just as a little pillow for my head. All right, so get creative. Whatever works for you, make this practice work for you, right? And by the way, if there's some pose that doesn't feel right, take a different one. If there's some other stretch you want, take it. Breathe. 2 more massive breaths here. As you finish the next exhale, bring your body all the way up. Tuck your left toe underneath. Bring your right leg up to the sky. Open the hip and bend the knee. Straighten it out. Down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Open the hip, bend the knee. Straighten it out. Draw the left knee in towards your left wrist. Set your left shin down. Bring your body down. Pigeon pose. Breathe into it. Relax into it. Recline into it. Outer hip stretch here. Not staying too long. So get what you need. And hey, if you're at home and you have the time, by the way, you could hit pause and hold these poses longer, right? Sometimes we don't have the time either, and that's okay. All right, take another inhale. As you exhale, bring your body up. Tuck your right toe, left leg up behind you. Open the hip, bend the knee. Straighten it out. Down dog. Last down dog. Inhale, squeeze the juice out of it. Maybe press your chest back. And then drop your knees. Sit on your butt. Lie it down. Draw your knees into your chest. Let's take a happy baby. Keep the bend. Grab the outer edges of your feet and pull your feet down. Try to get the spine flat on the mat. Draw your knees in towards your shoulders. Breathe. Take another inhale. As you exhale, bring your knees in. Hang on to your right knee. Let your left leg go straight. Left hand on right knee opens to the right. Draw the right knee to the left. If you want, take your gaze to the right for a spinal twist. Good. Sinking and breathing into it. Good. Remember that bottom belly breath. Don't let go of it just yet. Take another inhale. As you exhale, bring it to the center. Drop both knees in. Hang on to your left knee. Let your right leg go straight. Left arm to the left. Go ahead and draw your left knee over to the right. Gaze to the left. Basically, spinal twist on the other side. Breathe. Take another inhale. As you exhale, come to the center. Bring your knees into your chest. Just one last time. Just give it a squeeze. Take a massive inhale. As you exhale, find Shavasana, legs straight, arms down by your sides. You can find your natural breath. Close your eyes. If you have 5 minutes or so, hit the pause button. Take it. Enjoy Shavasana, total and complete relaxation. All right, listen, you might have hit the pause button and come back, or you might be with me because you don't have a lot of time. So go ahead and gently roll to the side. Cradle your head and then press it up all the way up to seated position. Listen, I hope you feel better than when you started today. Your mind thanks you and your body thanks you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I also want to let you know, subscribe to the channel, give this a thumbs up so you don't miss these weekly videos that come out every Monday. If you want more, check out yogayourheartoutwithdeb.com/free60. That's FREE60 if you want more. Have an awesome day.